A storm like this certainly does help after some prescribed burns. Rogers Pass clearing out nicely around the Lewistown Divide. We had some snow. Looks like roads are still wet. Monarch, little snow moving back in, as much as a foot of snow into the Little Belt Mountains. And here is Bozeman Pass, which is now under a winter storm warning for the next few hours here. Very, very difficult to travel on I-90. Look at some of these rain totals. More than an inch, Lewistown, Great Falls, all around the Helena area. Up there at Carter, that was the highest rainfall amount right there, 1 3/4 inches. And then there's the Elkhorns, 18 inches. Showdown, top of the Little Belt Mountains, 12 inches of snow. And some of the higher terrain around Helena, 5-6 inches of snow. Look at the green popping, still a little white up there in the higher terrain. Helena, 49 degrees right now, and the rain and the higher elevation snow has come to an end. At Great Falls, looking out towards the east, you can see the high woods, and we do have a little snow over the high woods. 53 in town, 36 still in Lewistown. Look at Livingston, 33 degrees, still dealing with the rain and some of that snow, and a winter storm warning now for the Bridgers, including the Big Belts, the Castles, and certainly down there, the Madison Range, Gallatin Range, Tobacco Roots. A winter weather advisory for another few hours here, I-15 south of Helena, including the Boulder Pass. Precipitation is beginning to break up here, although still down around Boulder, some snow. Great Falls, it is dry. Some snow into the Little Belts. I showed you Monarch there, still some snow into the Big Snowies, and rain showers kind of moving off towards the south, but this is the trouble area here for the rest of this evening, with snow continuing, possibly even beyond midnight here tonight. Look at all the thunderstorm activity, Wyoming, South Dakota, into Colorado and Utah. Much needed moisture into the desert Southwest, and some good rain on the East Coast as well. Flooding where you see the shade of green. Even have some tornado issues where you see that yellow shade. So clearing out, skies will go clear. Northern part of the state, that will allow some fog to develop through the overnight hours. Tomorrow morning, still some snow, maybe around the Bozeman Pass area, Cook City, some rain around Billings. Rain moving out as we go through Tuesday afternoon. Actually a pretty nice day. Helena, Great Falls in the high line with sunshine and some warmer temperatures here, warmer than where we were today. And Wednesday, I'm going to flip that flow around to the southwest, and that will really warm things up. Back up into the 70s we go here for Wednesday. Additional precipitation down towards the south. If you're going south of Helena, watch out around Monida Pass here as well. Here's the forecast for tonight. 20s and low 30s, right near the freezing point. Most of the showers will be in the southern parts of the state here. A couple of snow showers still in the Little Belts, the Big Belts, and the Elkhorns. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Morning fog for a lot of us here. Partly cloudy skies, Great Falls and Helena, mostly cloudy still over the southeast part of the state. Into Wednesday, flipping that switch once again. Look at that, back up into the 70s, even 80 in Havre, a little on the breezy side. Thursday, a weak cold front goes through with just a few isolated thunderstorms. Helena, Lewistown, south central Montana. And then Friday, looking pretty nice. Not only is it Friday, but 70s and mostly sunny. All right, Helena, 7-day forecast. So still a little cool tomorrow, a little fog tomorrow morning. We're back up in the 70s and the 80s. However, we could have another Sunday storm, and this one, it's Mother's Day this Sunday. Some showers and thunderstorms likely by the afternoon.
And still ahead,